finally arrived. This is the Nexdock 2, a product that I backed on Kickstarter about a year ago. It's been a little bit late, but it's finally arrived. I'm not too concerned about the delay because I'd rather have a product that was assembled to quality rather than one that was rushed out to meet a deadline. But obviously that remains to be seen. I will unbox it now and we will see what was being included and what sort of quality it is. So opening it up, and as you can see, it is packed in some foam, so it's very well secure, very well padded. There's not much movement there, so I'm not too concerned about it being damaged in transit. So just get it out of the box. Okay, so the product is quite tightly packed, so plug adapter has just fallen out. I see. I guess I opened it upside down. That will just be, so it comes with a US style plug, and what looks to have dropped out. Hang on, no, I see. Wait a second. There's plug adapters for all the different parts of the world. So what's jumped out will have just been an adapter for that. So that's quite a nice touch, because originally you had to pick a plug adapter, and it seems that now everybody, you can get one for all parts of the world. So this is the standard European connection, this is the UK connection, and this is the North American and Japanese connection by default. That's quite nice. There we go, we have those are the two plugs. Well, another one went over there, I'll get that later. We have a micro USB to USB-C adapter. What we have here, this looks to be a USB-C to full-size USB and micro USB. I think this is one of the things for connecting to certain peripherals like the Raspberry Pi. And USB-C to USB-C. The power brick. I could probably charge my MacBook Pro with that. We have HDMI to mini HDMI connector. So I guess this will go into the new Raspberry Pi 4. Here we have HDMI cable, and here we have another USB-C to USB-C cable. This one looks to have a thicker connection than this, so I suspect this may be, this is obviously a higher spec standard of cable, so probably for display. So we will now go around to the main of what this was all about. Also there's some quick start guide. And that is the Nexdock itself. So what is the Nexdock? Why did I back it? Well, it looks like a laptop, but what it is for converting your mobile phone into a laptop. So this is essentially a screen, a keyboard, and a trackpad. And you can then, it doesn't have a computer in it. It's basically the computer. You can connect a computer, such as a modern smartphone, and it will then become a laptop. So actually, getting it in the hand, it actually feels very, very high quality. It doesn't feel plastic. It's made out of metal. It's not at all plasticky. And opening it up, the keyboard keys are very, very large. They've got a lot of travel, and the whole thing looks very, very well made. I mean, maybe again, not to the absolute top end of the market like a MacBook or Samsung or a Zeus laptop, but very, very close, considering this is a Kickstarter product from a very small company. That's the unboxing. What I'm now going to do is have a short trial with it and show you the initial boot up stage and what happens when you connect it to a smartphone.